AI agent has sent me now response back. Welcome to another video of SyncBricks. In this video, I'll show you one of the WhatsApp RAG agent, which is built in n8n. And I have explained you already how to get started with n8n. In this particular video, I'll show you how you can have your own WhatsApp agent that can give the responses to the customer. So it is a RAG agent also. I'll just show you. So what happens here that first of all, once any message comes from WhatsApp, so WhatsApp will be a trigger. Based on the trigger, there might be text, image, video, or audio. Let me first of all send one test message. So the split out is just made to split the message, and then here is the switch which I have added. And based on this switch, you can see here that I have mentioned that if the JSON.type, so type is here, I'll just show you. This is the type. If the type is text, the output name will be text. If the type is audio, output name will be audio. If the type is image, so output will be named as image. And if the type is video, so output will be named as video. So you can see here that based on these outputs, so there are 4 different type of outputs. And what I have done here that if the image and video is there for the time being, I did not build any flow for that. So if there is image or video, so it will give the response here. I have mentioned that though we understand that you are trying to send the image, but I'm not able to reply you on that. So image and video will be ignored. If it is audio, so what it will do on the WhatsApp business, it will download the media, which is the audio file. You can see here that WhatsApp trigger item JSON message audio ID. So it will download the ID, and where it will be downloading from, here is the json.url. From that URL, it will be using the WhatsApp API. It will be downloading the audio. Once the audio is downloaded, it will be sent to OpenAI for transcribing the audio. So you can see here that to OpenAI, the resource is audio, and it will transcribe the recording, which means that it will be converted into text. Once it is converted to text, so it will come back here to AI agent. So AI agent will either get the message. If it is text, it just receives the text and then it sends to the AI agent. And then if it is coming as an audio, so it will be downloading the audio, and after downloading, it will be sending to OpenAI to transcribe the audio, and finally it will be sending to AI agent. Now to AI agent, I have connected the Google Gemini chat model. You can of course connect the OpenAI chat model also, depending upon how you are comfortable with. So I have connected to Gemini just to test it, that how the Gemini 2.0 works. So here it is connected with that, and then the database is storing all the chat memories. You can use the Windows buffer also, it all depends. To AI agent, I have provided here agent system prompt, where I have mentioned that what type of messages you have to reply and how you have to respond to the messages. Below is message which is sent to you, which is json.message text.body. So depending upon that message, it will be generating the response and sending to WhatsApp. Additional tools which I have added here is the vector store tool. I have added the current vector store. Pinecone is one of the options also, which you can use as a vector storage. So I'm using current, which is open source, and I have locally hosted here. And I have also provided you details how you can use it. For embedding of the vector storage, you can use the embedding OpenAI. You will simply just click OpenAI, so it will automatically detect that. To convert that data which has been retrieved from the vector store, OpenAI chat model will be used, and then finally it will be sent to the AI agent, and AI agent will be able to respond back. So whatever question is asked by the user from WhatsApp, so if it is image or video, so it will simply send the response back that I'm not able to respond to you on that. But if it is audio, so it will be transcribed and then it will be sent to AI agent. And if it is simple text, so text will be directly coming to AI agent. And finally, once it is done, so WhatsApp Business API is used here to send the message back to the user. So I'll show you how it works. So I will just send the audio message. Let me show you that. Like, can you please provide me the guest post pricing? So I have sent the audio now. So it will be receiving the audio. You can see here that the audio is now sent to the OpenAI, and finally AI agent, and AI agent has sent me now response back. So here you can see that I sent the audio. Can you please provide me the guest post pricing? This is how the audio message has been transcribed, and based on the audio message, the message has been sent. We will try again. We will send text message now. How many other websites do you have? You can see here that this time it was text. So it has directly sent the text to the AI agent, and based on that, so response has come back. So depending upon the type of message which you are sending, whether it is audio, so it will automatically follow this flow. If it is text, it will follow this flow. And if I try to send any image, for example, let me try to send an image. Suppose I'm sending this image, and once it will go there, so you will see here that image has been detected and the response has come back. And here is the response. Though we understand that you're trying to send image, but I'm not able to reply you on that. So depending upon the flow, in fact, once you receive the image, so whether you want to use the OCR to convert that image into text, or to understand that what image is all about, and based on image you can respond back. Vector store, as I mentioned, that if the vector store is your knowledge base, in vector store you can use either Pinecone or Qrent. All the files can be added there. You can have your contact database, product price list, you can have what type of services your company offers, and so on. So those all can be stored into your vector database, and that vector database can be retrieved by any chat agent. So this was all about the WhatsApp, which is connected to the n8n AI agent. You can mention the system prompts that what exactly you need to respond. This is specific to what SyncBricks is offering. So depending upon what you want to have, you can provide that. And it is also using the vector store tool. For this particular workflow, I have provided the link. You can download it and you can get started. So this was all about having the AI agent, which is built on n8n using WhatsApp and RAG. I'll be adding more videos related to the intelligent agent using artificial intelligence, and I'll be using various workflow automation platforms and that you can use. So hope you like this video. Click subscribe. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.